Good morning guys, today it is Tuesday the 26th of June and I have a day off which I'm so excited about. I haven't had a day off since the day that I had my last exam, so like I had my day off but like my last day off was like studying and doing 2 exams. So this is like the first like actual day off that I've had since going on holidays and I'm so excited. First things first, my bedroom is so unbelievably messy, like ridiculously messy, and I need to clean it. And I've been putting it off for so long and I just need to do it. So let's get it done. It's like 7 AM right now. I've been up since like 6:30. You guys are like sitting on my tripod right now. I didn't really want to take you off, but you're gonna have to come off to come clean my room. So let's go. This is my room right now. It needs to be changed. Like something needs to be done about this. I'm gonna put on a YouTube video and get this done as quickly as possible. Squad. Oh my gosh, we're all home at the same time. Hello, my friends. I'm now with Giorgio. Hey. But today, like I said, it's like my day off, so I've got a lot of things I want to do today, which I'm very excited about. One of those things is going to IKEA and getting some things for my studio because I've mentioned before that I'm kind of redecorating a little bit. So we need to get a few things for that. And Giorgio had a day off too, so she was just like, yeah, let's do it, let's go. And we're also filming a video for her channel. Can I say what it is? Yeah. We're filming a mukbang. I don't know if that's how you say it, but like you know what I mean. And I am so excited. We've been wanting to film this for like months, I feel like. Yeah. A very, very long time. I think probably ever since we saw Sammy and Cardi do the first 100%. one. That was like, what, a year ago? Yeah. I don't know, a very long time ago. I'm also very sorry about this lighting, it's shocking. But yeah, we're filming that this afternoon with lots of food and I'm so excited. So that means we can't eat at IKEA, which is a tradition. Very sad about it. And then I'm just gonna film some videos for my own channel later this afternoon because I have a whole day off. It's just a crazy time. I'm very excited about it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We are now in the showroom. We had a look at some couches. I liked one of them. Didn't really like that many. There weren't really that many nice ones. No. And I really don't like the idea of having to build a couch from a box. So like if there's a better one at like Fantastic Furniture, you know? Wait, those aren't sitting on the ground. Looks pretty normal until they're not on the ground. Is that so you can like clean? We also want to have a look at desks while we're here. A few little things. It's a nice table. I love wooden dining tables so much. Georgia and I are in the section with all the containers and organization and it's just like killing us because we don't need any of it but we want all of it. Like look at all these jars. Look at them. Those are so pretty. I really like those. Yeah, me too. Lights are just so pretty. IKEA has some weird looking ones though. Like, would you really want that hanging in your house? I don't know. Well, I wouldn't. Each to their own. Like, I don't know. Like, it's cool, but like, would you want it in your house? I know Adeline has this one in her house.
Oh my goodness.
It squeaks a lot. Would you have to build that out of a flat pack? Of course, we found ourselves in the plant section. I think these are snake plants. Also, these cactus up here are like $50. What the heck? What do you mean? Looks like fingers. They have some cute little ones. Look at all these chickens.
What are you doing?
We're gonna go play.
Okay, let's go. Had enough? Yeah.
Welcome to my friendship with Georgia where I just make her carry the heavy things that I don't want to carry. I'm sorry, but thank you. We just finished at IKEA. We got everything we needed. It's all in the back seat there.
You know when you like to turn your car back on and the music starts really loudly and you go like this?
We're going to film our mukbang, but we're like, should we go straight there? Like, what do you reckon?
We'll decide. I will decide. when we get closer.
Okay. We finished at IKEA. We got here at 9:30. It's now 10:30. So like we were in and out in an hour and we weren't rushing. I think we just like, we knew what we wanted.
Yeah.
Well, I knew what I wanted because Georgia wasn't getting anything. She just came for the ride. She's a great friend. Carries my heavy things, drives me to and from, you know, just like the best assistant ever. Georgia and I just got to the first food plate to order food for our mukbang. We just went to GYG, of course. And we got a burrito. I hope it's not all cold by the time we get home. I don't think it will be. We have a microwave. I mean, is that gross?
I'm scared.
About what, going through the drive-thru?
Yes.
You go through the drive-thrus all the time.
Yes, but I'm not ordering like 10,000 things.
I don't like it when people do mukbangs and have like 3 things.
We're going all out, big boys.
I think it's so stupid when people go and they're like, I got a burger and a drink and chips. And I'm like, that's just a meal. Like, that's not a mukbang. That's just I'm eating and talking. A mukbang is like, let me show you the spread, big boys. Georgia and I just finished, I never call you Georgia, that was weird. Georgia and I just finished filming our mukbang. How do you feel?
Woo! Feel good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Do you think you'll feel bad later?
Oh, probably, but like I hope not.
Yeah, get it out of the way. Georgia likes to do this thing where she makes fun of my stutter. My mind works so fast that I like, when I get excited, I sometimes just can't get my words out because I'm so excited, but my mind's like racing ahead and it just like, my body can't keep up with it. And so I just sound really stupid. And Georgia always makes fun of me. I also feel like I look like I'm wearing a blanket and I feel like I'm wearing a blanket and it's great. We literally rearranged the whole like living room to film this video. I just finished filming 2 videos and I'm so excited about it. I don't remember the last time I filmed 2 videos in one day. I guess I filmed 3 if you count the mukbang, but I'm not like editing that one. That's on Georgia's channel. But do you guys like this setup? I have my little plants. I have my happy plant and my little fern, have a fake one and then my little one from Bunnings that I haven't named yet. Honestly though, my room is such a mess right now. Like, okay.
Sorry, I made it, didn't I? Ah, yeah!
I'm wearing my new shirt, my Where's Wally shirt. I just finished filming my eBay video.
Ah!
Yeah. Do you want me to show you what I got?
Yeah.
I'm showing Georgia what I got from my eBay haul. And I got a pair of sunglasses and I want to film her reaction to me trying them on.
You have no eyebrows.
I look great. I don't know what you're talking about. So I'm just cleaning my filming room because it's a mess. But I thought I'd show you a little before and after because I'm going to move a few things around. Because when I was at IKEA, I didn't show you what I got, but I got a new desk. Excuse the mess. I've just been filming and it was messy before that anyway. But I've had this desk for quite a while, but I decided that I'm gonna replace this desk with a new one, which is exactly the same as that one, and like have them lined up. I was gonna have the new one rest on my Alex 5 drawers as well, but I often like to be able to move a desk behind me to film as a background, so I'm just gonna leave it with its 4 legs. But I thought I'd show you guys what my room looks like now, so that I can have a before shot and then I can show you guys what it looks like after I redecorate this room completely. Obviously I'm not doing that today, but I just wanted to have a before clip, you know? So this is the room right now. It's gonna be very, very different once it's done, and I'm just gonna like be cleaning it this afternoon and sorting it out a little bit. Not completely, but a little bit. But yeah, I got this desk from IKEA today. And I thought I'd show you guys what else I got from IKEA as well today, because why not? In front of my messy background. But I got this. This is the Skye, my housemate. She got this and she calls it a scoob. I don't know if it's called a scoob, but we're just gonna call it a scoob. But it's just this bunch of organizers that you put in your drawers. And I got 2 of them. I got one for like my socks and bras and underwear drawer, and another one for my work/uniform drawer, or maybe my workout drawer, I don't know, but you know, I got it. And then I also got this new mirror. This is just like, or you can see the little diagram here, it just looks like that, and it's got this wood frame, and I'm gonna put that on my vanity because right now I just have one of those tiny little ones. I'll show you this one here that I do my makeup in front of every single day, or not every single day, but like when I wear makeup. So it's just, I would much rather have a bigger one, you know. And the only other thing I got, apart from the desk, is a bunch of these containers. These were so inexpensive and they're just a lot nicer than the ones you get in like Coles and Woolworths and Kmart for the same price. So they're just a little containers. I got 5 of them and I'm just going to use them to do my meal prep throughout the week. And that's all I have to say about that. So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna put you guys on charge, and I'm gonna clean this room and just get it sorted. So future editing Rachel here, and I realized I never finished this vlog. What's new? I'm not gonna show you a room update in this vlog because it really just doesn't look that much better than what it did. So I'm sorry about that, but stay tuned for future vlogs to see what happens with this studio space, and hopefully it'll look better than what it did in the earlier clips. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog or video very soon. Goodbye.